Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we are showcasing the step for how to convert ProtonMail to zip file. First of all, download now Email Backup Wizard. Use Email Backup Wizard and get these ultimate features. Quick and selective backup of emails using filters. The software will create saving log.txt file. Store resultant data at user desired location path. Maintain folder hierarchy structure. Now let's check prerequisites. How to enable and get ProtonMail IMAP settings. First of all, download the ProtonMail Bridge application on operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. So, choose as per your need. Here, we are downloading the ProtonMail Bridge application for Windows. Now, after installation, go to Add Account and enter the credentials of your ProtonMail account such as username and password. After that, click on the Next button. Once the account is added to the ProtonMail Bridge, click on the Mailbox configuration option and get details like IMAP host name, port number and password to log into the software program. Please note that the password generated and port number will be system specific. It will change system to system. Please keep this useful IMAP setting information, we will use it in the coming steps. Install and run Email Backup Wizard, more details check description. Simple software interface is an advantage of this utility. Now, select IMAP server from the email source list. Now enter the email address of the ProtonMail account. Then, enter the specific password as shown in the IMAP settings. Remember that this password will change from system to system. Use batch mode option for batch conversion. Use proxy option can be only used in case you are converting the emails using proxy server, then enter the proxy server details. Now, enter your IMAP host name, 127.0.0.1, as shown in the IMAP settings. Now fill the IMAP port number 1143 as shown in the IMAP settings. Remember that this IMAP port number will change from system to system. Now, click on Login button. You can select desired folders for the conversion. The program gives you 25 plus saving options including zip. Select zip option. Here, you can change the destination path as well as the resultant in zip file. Click on filter option to get advanced feature of the software. This tool offers you multiple filter options that are useful for the task. Click on checkbox button of Use Selective Export Settings for email folders. If you want to convert only sent folder, then choose only Export Sent Folder option. To skip email body content and its attachments, choose Exclude Exporting Email Body Content and Attachments. Now click on Backup button and proceed further. Now, click on Backup button to process the conversion. This tool previews the live conversion progress. After a complete conversion, you will get a pop-up message "Conversion completed successfully." Click on OK button. Trial version will allow you to convert only 25 emails from each folder. Click on OK. The software will create saving log.txt file containing converted emails from the total number of emails with folder's name. Go to destination folder and check output file. Converted zip file. Thank you for watching the video.